Hey TRW crew, Rudy here with the Rhinestone World. So real quick video here, wanted to help out Q. She had a request on how to create a multi-size design working with the TRW Stone Wizard. So as you can see here, we have a heart that we've created already. And the goal of this video is to have a multi-deck design with 2 rows of stones on the outside, one made with SS10s and the second with SS16 stones. Okay, so really quick and easy. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and select our islands. So we want to do one island to the outside, and then we're going to do a contour spacing of 0.07 because that first row is going to be made with SS10 stones. So I'm going to go a little bit over half of my SS10 stone size, which is 0.13. So a little bit over half is 0.07. So we're going to go ahead and do that for the first contour spacing. So there it is. Let's go and change the color here so you guys can see a little bit better. So there is my vinyl design, and there's my new contour line. And now the reason we went a little bit over the the half of 0.13 is so that we have a little bit of room in between our stones and our vinyl, so they're not actually overlayering each other. All right. So now that we created our first layer here, let's go ahead and create our second path. Our second path, we're going to change it up a little bit here though. We're going to choose our 0.18 contour spacing now, because again we're going to be using SS16 stones this time, and we want to go a little bit over the 0.173 standard SS16 stone size there, so we want to go a little bit over that, which is 0.18. So we found 0.18 works perfect to be able to accomplish what we're trying to do here. So let's go ahead and select our outer layer there, hit island fill, and there we go. So now we have 2 rows on the outside and our vinyl design on the inside. So let's go ahead and select that first row there. As you can see, we have our SS10 selected. So just go ahead and hit add stone selected path, and there it is, my first layer. Now notice if I zoom in, there's that little bit of a gap in between my stones and my vinyl. There's that 0.07 where that comes in handy. All right, so now we're ready to add our 16s. So nothing special, drop down menu, SS16s, select our outer layer there, and hit add stone selected path, and there we go. So now zoom out, let's go ahead and highlight our design, clear paths, and there is our heart, multi-deck heart design with multi-size stones here. Now as you can see, we could have gone maybe a little bit lower on our contour spacing, but again, you know, that looks fine to me like it is, so we're going to go ahead and leave it like that. So now we're ready to create our mock-up, so let's go ahead and select the inside here, magic vinyl that to red, and then let's go ahead and select all our stones. Now notice because they're multi-size stones here, I'm going to select all my colors. So instead of going to select by size, I'm going to select by color. Alright, so that's going to select all my red stones. It's going to make that crystal. Now notice we have a little outline there. To get rid of that outline, select the heart, so the vinyl part of it. Right click on the little X at the top of our color palette here, and that gets rid of that. So highlight my design. Let's go drop down on a t-shirt here, so single shirt. So really quick and easy to create that multi-size design there, multi-deck design. I hope this helped you all, and Q, hopefully it helped you. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call, 941-755-1696. Have a great day, crew.